In this video, I'm going to show you how to use bulk upload to schedule a month of content in one go. This simple trick will save you hours of manual scheduling and make your workflow so much smoother. Stick around because I'll walk you through the process step by step and give you a special offer at the end that you won't want to miss. Now let's dive in. First, you'll want to gather your content. This means having all your posts, images, and media files ready to upload in one place. If you're using a content calendar, this will be easy to do because everything is already planned out. If you haven't done this yet, now's a good time to prepare your content for the month ahead. Next, head over to the software we'll be using today. The bulk upload feature is available in the content scheduling section. The software makes it super easy by allowing you to import everything all at once. No need to enter each post manually. Once you're in the right section, look for the option that says bulk upload or bulk schedule. Click on that and you'll be prompted to upload a CSV file. This is where things get interesting. You'll need to create a CSV file that includes all the details for each post. In this file, you'll add columns for the post content, date, time, and any other variables like tags or locations. Some platforms might require specific formats, so make sure your CSV follows the template provided by the software. Don't worry, most of the time there are example templates available that you can copy and use. Once you've got your CSV file set up, go ahead and upload it. The software will process the file and schedule your posts automatically according to the dates and times you've set. You'll get a confirmation that everything was uploaded successfully and your content is now ready to go live at the right moments. One of the key benefits of using bulk upload is that it reduces the chance of errors. You won't have to worry about forgetting to schedule something or making a typo. Everything is in one neat file, and the software takes care of the rest. Now, before we wrap up, let me give you a quick reminder. I've tested several scheduling tools, and the one we're using today is my top recommendation. It makes this whole process effortless, and if you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial link in the description below. This is only available to my viewers, so be sure to grab it while you can. To summarize, you've learned how to use bulk upload to schedule a whole month's worth of content in just a few steps. Prepare your content in a CSV file, upload it into the software, and let the platform handle the rest. Remember, the key takeaway is that bulk upload is a massive time saver and ensures your content is posted exactly when you want it to go live. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.